The upcoming DC Blockchain Summit 2025 is set to be one of the most talked about crypto events of the year. And one of the key highlights? Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson will be moderating a panel featuring Donald Trump Jr. and the founders of World Liberty Financial, WLFI. This development has sparked major interest within the crypto community as it raises questions about the future of decentralized finance under the Trump administration. On Wednesday, March 26th, Charles Hoskinson will lead a discussion titled Digital Liberty, Expanding Global Access to Digital Assets and DeFi. The panel will feature Donald Trump Jr., as well as Zach Witkoff, Zach Folkman, and Chase Harrow, the co-founders of WLFI, a decentralized finance project backed by the Trump family. According to the DC Blockchain Summit website, the session will focus on how decentralized finance, DeFi, can expand global financial access. This panel is expected to be particularly significant because it follows recent discussions about the U.S. government's stance on digital assets. With the Trump administration showing increased interest in crypto regulation and adoption, many are eager to hear how they plan to shape the future of the industry. Charles Hoskinson has been vocal about the role of decentralization in financial systems. His involvement in moderating this panel suggests that he aims to bring critical questions to the table, questions that could determine how DeFi will be regulated and integrated into mainstream finance. Interestingly, this also comes after Hoskinson publicly expressed dissatisfaction with being excluded from the White House Crypto Summit earlier this month. Following the event, he posted that it was time for crypto to change strategies and use the old ways, which many interpreted as a call to refocus on decentralization. His participation in this major blockchain event signals that he is taking a proactive approach in shaping the conversation. A key aspect of this panel will be how the Trump administration views the future of crypto. Just last week, former President Donald Trump addressed the Blockworks Digital Assets Summit via a recorded message, stating that he is committed to making the U.S. a leader in crypto innovation. This is a notable shift from previous administrations that took a more cautious and sometimes hostile approach to digital assets. The presence of Donald Trump Jr. on this panel suggests that there could be deeper political and economic motivations behind the Trump family's increasing involvement in the space. World Liberty Financial, WLFI, is a decentralized finance project that has gained attention for its connections to the Trump family. Founders Zach Witkoff, Zach Folkman, and Chase Harrow have positioned WLFI as a platform focused on financial liberty, aiming to provide decentralized financial services to a global audience. Their presence at the summit further emphasizes the growing intersection between crypto and politics. For the Cardano community, this event is particularly exciting. Hoskinson's involvement in moderating such a high-profile panel could open new opportunities for Cardano in the broader DeFi ecosystem. Input-Output Global, the company behind Cardano, is one of the key sponsors of the DC Blockchain Summit, which further reinforces its commitment to shaping policy discussions in the U.S. Beyond Cardano, this panel could also set the stage for new regulatory frameworks that will impact the entire crypto industry. If the discussion leads to clearer regulatory pathways, it could attract more institutional investors into the crypto space. With the DC Blockchain Summit just around the corner, all eyes are on Charles Hoskinson and the panel discussion featuring Donald Trump Jr. Will this panel provide clarity on the Trump administration's stance on DeFi? Could this be a turning point for Cardano's role in shaping financial policy? One thing is certain. This event will be a major moment in the ongoing evolution of blockchain and decentralized finance. Stay tuned for updates as we follow this important discussion. What are your thoughts? Do you think this panel will lead to real changes in crypto regulation? Let us know in the comments.